You know, I often buy these cheap hot swap keyboards with the aim to mod them for friends and for videos. They always come with these cheap Huano switches that just sound scratchy, rattly, and traumatizing. I've tried to ask God why they sound like this, and the only response I got was something to do with punishing mankind for their creation of membrane keys and pineapple on pizza. But I'm not going to let this stop me. We're here going to find out if lubing and filming these red Huano switches can save them from the trash. And to make these switches usable, we're going to be using Krytox 205, Grade 0, Prayer Magic, and Deskeys films. Now, as you heard, there's really not that much difference between the two. After crying my eyes out, lubing and filming the switches, I have finally returned with a complete board, and here's what it sounds like. So as you heard, lubing and filming does little to save these switches. They are still scratchy feeling and sound unpleasant, but I didn't want to give up on them just yet. The stock keycaps are extremely thin, so I had this genius idea of replacing them with a cheap PBT set that I salvaged from a budget build I did for a friend. And here are the results.